Hey there, BikeBlogger here, on my way home from work. Tonight I wanted to talk about white noise. So what is white noise? White noise is background noise, ambient noise. I don't think I've ever noticed that manhole cover back there is parallel. The holes in it are parallel to the way I ride the road. So that's a little scary. Have to watch that in the future. Luckily, it's never been an issue before. Woo! Feels great outside. Nice and cool. White noise, yeah. I'm totally losing it tonight, BikeBlogger. It's sort of hard sometimes to concentrate on the topic of the night and bicycle at the same time. I try my best though. Ugh. Road construction ahead. I don't like the looks of that. Maybe that's why this road has been all super beat up before. Just gonna mosey our way through here. Oh man, that is bad. Bad for a bike. Gotta go a little slower. White noise, yeah. So, if you're like me, you gotta have some sort of noise to help yourself go to sleep. Some sort of consistent noise. That's what I call white noise. Like a fan, a radio, TV, something. Whew. Alright. We're gonna do a little climbing over here. Not so loud and I can hear myself talk. Woo. White noise. What else? What else is there to say, really? Enjoy the ride. That's all I'll say. I'm going a slightly different way, so for those who like to follow along, since I don't, post any Strava stuff or whatever. I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm on Tuxedo Boulevard, heading east. No, west. Of course, I'm going west. I always go west in the evening. I'm at Laclede Station Road. I think that's what it's called. It's called Hanley, further north of here. But just crossing that road, continuing up this hill through Webster Groves, Missouri. I don't believe I've gone this particular way before. I just plan on taking Tuxedo all the way. I don't know if you can hear that noise. My bike is making a creaking noise. I think I go straight here. No stop sign. What's this guy up to? Right here. be on the wrong road. It's okay. It's not one way, at least. City cycling. City cycling. This is all residential back here. Go right here. What the hell? What the heck? Woo! Watch your mouth. Christmas lights. It's March. What are they thinking? What are they thinking? Woo! Now I'm back on Tuxedo. I thought I said I went. I guess I needed to go right and then straight. It's all good in the neighborhood. So, white noise. Oh yeah. Oh, bike noise. Creak, creak, creak. Stop. Waiting for this guy. It's a little hard to see. I'm at the bottom of the hill, sort of here. Oh, that creaking noise. Pretty certain it's coming from my bottom bracket / crank, my chain set. Boy, it's really quiet back here in residential areas. So I'm gonna need to pull it and grease it, clean it, then grease it, and then put it back in. I've actually never definitely have not disassembled, but I have not actually removed my bottom bracket in this bike. And this bike is over 2 years old. This is my Diamondback Honjo Comp bicycle. It's worked out really well for me. It's a great bike. They've changed the specs a little bit, specifically the brakes over the years, but I think it's a really good bike. Probably about the best sort of bike you could get as a commuter. You know, top of the line pretty much, you know. It's cost me like $1,000, so you can't really spend much more than that and still get good bang for your buck. But yeah, I've not serviced the bearing that's down below where my pedals are down in. For people who don't understand what I'm talking about, it's where your feet sort of go and you're rotating. Not the pedals per se, but the part that attaches to the frame. It's called the bottom bracket area. I need to open that up and clean it out, because I have not done that. Maybe we'll go left. Really quiet. Really quiet. It's almost sort of scary. Scary quiet. I started the commute off on a sort of a busier street. You take these residential roads and it's sort of like a ghost town. Woo! White noise. What noise? Why is it called white noise? I don't know. I think there was a Michael Keaton movie. White Noise? You know, Batman? Alright. So this morning, when I did my video about, I don't know what I'm going to call it, how to ride as traffic, fear, the cyclists, or whatever, I actually came across this bridge earlier this morning. Now I'm going back the other way. Alright. Whew. We'll just go straight here, I think. And we'll take the big road all the way back. Woo! Just coast down the hill now. I'd be careful going fast. You gotta have some bright lights. in the dark like this. Just missed the green light, that's okay. Make a right here when safe to do so. Push it now. Alright. Well, we'll just be taking this guy, taking this road all the way home. Upshift it. Keeping the cadence a little low here. Can't remember what my gear ratio is. I think it's like, on this bike, the higher gear, I think it's 2.8 or 2.9. And then the lower gear is like, I don't know, 2.4. Which basically means my big ring up front is, 2.4 times larger than my ring in the back. So, again, some of that sort of terminology for those who don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Not a very busy road right now. No problem taking the lane. People can get around me if they really must. There's a whole nother lane opened up to my side. Just watch this guy to the right. Okay. Can't remember if I mentioned it earlier, but intersections are a lot more dangerous to cyclists than just riding on the open road like this. I need to clarify my point though. This is a lot safer than intersections in an urban or city setting. In a rural setting, the game changes a bit. But the rules still apply. Bright lights, shoulder checks, communication. Whew. Downshift. Woo. So, white noise. Did we beat that one to death? I think so. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Video's not over though. We'll go a little bit longer. Red light up ahead. If my thinking is correct, I need to get in the left lane. Far left lane. This guy's coming up, so I'm gonna let him get ahead of me. There's no one behind me, so slowing down isn't really super dangerous. I'm gonna get over now. We're gonna really try to sprint here. There we go. Watch out for that car. We're just gonna stay in this lane until that guy passes me on the right. We'll slowly move over. All is well that ends well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. BikeBlogger out. Here comes a biker. Woo. I waved, but they didn't wave back to me.